qualities. Shall we start? Round 1, that is Sukhasana round. Team A, your question. There are 8 stages of training for a yogi. What is the final stage apart from moksha? I repeat the question. There are 8 stages of training for a yogi. What is the final stage apart from moksha? Team A.
Pass.
The question passes to Team B.
The correct answer is Samadhi.
Correct answer. 5 points to Team B. Team B, your question. What does Hatha means? What does Hatha means? Team B.
Sun and moon.
Correct answer. 10 points to Team B. Team C, your question. What is the system of nerves that connects chakra and is where the energies flow through? What is the system of nerves that connects chakra and where energy flows through?
Pass.
The question passes to Team D. What is the system of nerves that connect chakra and where energy flows through?
Pass.
The question passes to Team A.
Pass.
The question passes to Team B.
Answer is Nadi.
Correct answer. 5 points to Team B. Question for Team D. Which chakra signifies the process of enlightenment? Which chakra signifies the process of enlightenment?
Kundalini.
No, incorrect answer. The question passes to Team A.
Pass.
Team B. Which chakra signifies the process of enlightenment?
The answer is Sarat Chakra.
Correct answer. 5 points to Team B. 5 points to Team B. Question for Team A. Which type of yoga focuses primarily on exercise and physical technique? Which type of yoga focuses primarily on exercise and physical techniques? Team A.
Pass.
Team B.
The answer is Bikram Yoga.
What? Pardon?
Ma'am, Bikram Yoga.
No, incorrect answer. Team C.
Please repeat the question.
Which type of yoga focuses primarily on exercise and physical techniques?
Therapeutic yoga.
No. Team D?
Hatha yoga.
Yes, correct. 5 points to Team D. Team D, 5 points. Question for Team B. Participants, please talk don't talk among yourselves. And the students, the audience also. Team B, your question. What, according to yoga philosophy, is considered as state of consciousness of neither wake or sleep? What, according to yoga philosophy, is considered as state of consciousness of neither wake or sleep?
Pass.
Team C?
ध्यान.
No. Team D?
Pass.
Team A?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What, according to yoga philosophy, is considered as state of consciousness of neither wake or sleep?
Moksha.
No, incorrect answer. Audience, anybody wants to give answer of this question? Raise hand if you know the answer. Yes?
Ma'am, Samadhi.
No. The correct answer is Turiya. It's called Turiya. Team C, your question. What do you understand by the term Adi? What do you understand by the term Adi?
No
Team C?
end. The term means no end.
No. Team D, the question passes to Team D.
Ma'am, starting.
No. Adi. No. Team A. Team A.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What do you understand by the term Adi? A-D-H-I. Adi. If you want to answer in Hindi, you can answer in Hindi also. आप हिंदी में आंसर देना चाहते हैं तो आप हिंदी में भी दे सकते हैं.
Ma'am, half.
Team B. A-D-H-I. Meaning of term Adi. A-D-H-I. Adi. No? Anybody in the audience, if you want to give answer, you can raise hand. Meaning of the term Adi. It means mental and emotional disorder, which originates from Manomaya Kosh. Team D, your question. How many Shodhan Kriyas are described in Hatha Ratnavali? How many Shodhan Kriyas are described in Hatha Ratnavali?
Pass.
Team A?
Pass.
Team B?
Ma'am, A.
Correct answer. 5 points to Team B. 5 points to Team B. And with this we come to the end of first round. And scores are Team A, no points. Team B, 30 points. Team C, no points. And Team D, 5 points. Audience, please give them a huge round of applause after the first round. Coming to the second round, which is Sukhasan round. And this is a non-passing round. I have already explained you this. Sorry, this is Nakasan round. Sorry, Sukhasan round, yes. This is non-passing round. And as I have explained you, you can answer twice. 2 attempts will be given. If you answer in first attempt, you will get 10 points. If you take second attempt, you will get 5 points. No marks will be deducted for incorrect answer. Okay? Shall we start, teams?
Yes, ma'am.
Team A. The purpose of yoga is to attain Options are a perfect health, peace of mind, stress relief, self-realization. The purpose of yoga is to attain option A, perfect health, option B, peace of mind, option C, stress relief, option D, self-realization.
Self-realization.
Correct answer. 10 points to team A. Team B. In Sanskrit, yoga means option A, to understand, option B, to comprehend, option C, to multiply, option D, to unite.
Option D, unite.
Correct answer. 10 points to team B. Team C. What is the theme of International Day of Yoga 2021? Team C. What is the theme of International Day of Yoga 2021? Options are Yoga for well-being, option B, Yoga for all, option C, Yoga for people, and option D, none of these.
Yoga for well-being, option A.
Correct answer. 10 points to team C. Team D. How many chakras are there in human body? How many chakras are there in human body? Options are 7, option B 10, option C 12, and option D 8.
Correct answer is option A, 7.
7 chakras. Correct answer. 10 points to team D. Team A. Raja Yoga is the yoga of controlling our sense organs. Raja Yoga is yoga of controlling. Option A is sense organs. Option B is organ of action. C is mind. And D is our emotion.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Raja Yoga is the yoga of controlling sense organs, organs of action, mind or our emotion.
Option B, organ of action.
No, incorrect answer. Anybody in the audience?
Ma'am, second attempt.
2 attempts, okay, yes. Second attempt.
Option A, sense organs.
Pardon? Sense organs, you said.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct answer. 5 points. Okay, now team B. Pranayam is which part of Ashtanga Yoga? Pranayam is which part of Ashtanga Yoga?
4.
Correct answer. 10 points to team B. Team C. Yoga class usually begin with A. Yogasana, B. Pranayam, C. Surya Namaskar, D. Prayer. Team C. Yoga class usually begin with Yogasana, Pranayam, Surya Namaskar or prayer.
Yogasana.
Incorrect answer. Second attempt.
Option D, clear.
Correct answer. 5 points to team C. Team D. Out of the following, which one is not an Ashtanga yoga? Out of the following, which one is not Ashtanga yoga? Pranayam, Niyam, Yama, Kriya.
Option D, clear.
Option D, Kriya. Correct answer. 10 points to team D. With this, we come to the end of second round. And scores are Team A 15 points, Team B 20 points, Team C 15 points and Team D 20 points. This is for the second round. Moving to the third round, which is Bravuri. It is an audio round. As I told you, in this round, each team will be asked a question based on an audio track, and that shall be played for you. For Team A, Atul sir, I request you to play the audio.
जीवन जटिल भी है और सरल भी है। जिस नजरिया से आप देखते हो, जिस दृष्टिकोण से आप देखते हो, उस पर निर्भर। आप देखो, ये केला आप खाते हो और केले का हजमाना बहुत बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, बहुत जटिल है। पहले मुंह में कार्बोहाइड्रेट सब ससारजनक सब डाइजेस्ट हो।
Identify the voice. Team A.
Pass.
Passes to Team B.
Baba Ramdev.
No, incorrect answer. Passes to Team C.
Pass.
Team D.
The old lady from Brahmakumaris.
No. Anybody from the audience would like to answer? No, it will not be played again. Nobody? It is Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. Next audio, sir. For Team B.
Suffering is dominating life everywhere. Tension, stress and strain are increasing in every country, whether it is through an affluent society or a developing nation. But suffering is everywhere. It is possible for every man to go deep within and saturate his conscious mind with inner happiness, with that unlimited intelligence that dwells at the source of thought.
Team B. Identify the voice.
Ma'am, pass.
Team C.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Team D.
Sadhguru.
No. Team A.
Swami Vivekananda.
No. Anybody from the audience? No? It is Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. Okay. Next audio for Team C.
And by man facilitate world puts in emotion. Yoga is a subject which brings emotional stability. When there is emotional stability is a right feeling of each individual. And it is a calculative seed which just calculates. But the experience is the mind. Mind is a part of the consciousness. Mind is the
Yes, Team C?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
No. Team D?
Pass.
Team A?
Sadhguru.
No. Team B? Team B?
Ma'am, pass.
Audience? Except teacher. Audience, any student? No. Answer is BKS Iyengar. BKS Iyengar. Fourth track for Team D.
बिना ध्येय का जीवन बेकार है। इसके जीवन में कोई बड़ा कर्तव्य ही सामने नहीं है, कोई बड़ा कर्तव्य सामने नहीं है, कोई लक्ष्य, कोई ध्येय सामने नहीं है, कोई गोल नहीं है, कोई टारगेट नहीं है, वो करेगा क्या? कुछ लोग तो लक्ष्य निर्धारित ही नहीं कर पाते, ये बोला जाता क्यों?
Okay, Team D.
Baba Ramdev.
Correct answer. 10 points to Team D. Okay, so with this we come to the end of round 3 and the scores are for third round. Team A, no points. Team B, no points. Team C, no points. And Team D, 10 points. Now moving on to the fourth round, that is visual round, and the name of this round is Tratak Kriya. Here you will be shown a picture and you have to identify that image. That's all. This is also a passing round, so if you don't know the answer, you can pass the question to the next team. Sir, please, for Team A. Team A, you have to identify the person who is with late Indira Gandhi. इंदिरा गांधी जी के साथ जो उनके साथ जो पर्सन है उन्हें पहचान है।
Pass.
ओके, टीम टी,
Pass.
टीम सी, नो, टीम डी,
Pass.
पास, टीम ए, तो पास कर देता। ओके, ऑडियंस, एनीबडी फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस? No. The person is Dhirendra Brahmachari. Dhirendra Brahmachari. Next image, sir, for Team B. Okay, identify the person. Team B. He's a very famous personality. Team B. Team, if you don't know the answer, you can pass.
Anupam K.
No, incorrect answer. Team C. No, Team D.
Pass.
Team A.
Pass.
Audience? No? It is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, third image for Team C. Now identify. Team C. Team D,
pass,
Team A,
मैम स्वामी विवेकानंद।
Team B,
पास।
audience. Okay, the answer is BKS Iyengar. Team D, your image. Okay. You have to identify this asana. Team D, identify the asana.
pass,
Team A,
pass,
Team B, louder Team B. Not clear written. No. No. Team C?
मैम पुष्पासन।
No. Anybody from the audience? Yes.
Mayurasana,
Correct answer. Please give her a huge round of applause. It's Mayurasana. Okay, next image for Team A. You have to count the number of triangles in the picture. And you have to name the asana also. Name this asana and then counting the number of triangles in the picture. But counting the numbers will help you to identify this asana actually. Team A, count the number of triangles and then identify this asana. Team A, no. Team B, since you have tried once, now the question passes to Team B. Team B, 5 triangles. No. Can you identify, can you name the asana? No. Team C, Team C, no? Say pass if you don't know.
पास।
Okay, the question goes to Team D.
7,
No.
pass,
Audience? Anybody from audience? See, the picture has 6 triangles and the asana is Shatkona. Shatkona asana. Next, Team B. What has been blanked out? What is?
चक्रास।
Correct answer. Team B, 10 points. Team C. Identify the movie.
कुंफू योगा।
Correct answer. 10 points to Team C. Team D. Identify the asana.
Yogasana,
Correct answer. 10 points to Team D. So at the end of 4th round, the scores for 4th round are Team A, no points, Team B, 10 points, Team C, 10 points, and Team D, 10 points. Now moving on to the last round, which is Kapalbhati round. This is rapid fire round, and as I have explained you the rules, that you will be given 60 seconds to answer a set of 10 questions. If you don't know the answer, say pass, then only I will ask you the next question. Okay? Team A, ready? Who will answer? First select one of the participants because all of you cannot answer. Okay, Deepali. Team A. Wait. Shall we start?
Yes.
No, I'm asking the timekeeper. Okay. Team A. First question. Name the country and the state where founder of Bikram Yoga born.
Pass.
What are the yamas? What are
Pass.
the yamas? Question 3. Who has written Yoga Sutra? Who has written? Correct answer. What does Vibhuti Pad mean in yoga? What does Vibhuti Pad mean in yoga?
Pass.
Who compiled Hatha Yoga Pradipika?
Pass.
How many types of Kundalini by nature are described in Siddha Siddhanta?
Pass.
What is the remedy for abolition of suffering according to Patanjali?
Pass.
When did the your time up and you answered one correct. So 10 points to team A. Sorry, 5 points. 5 points to team A. Team B. Team B, ready?
Yes.
The participant who will be answering will hold the mic. Okay?
Yes.
Team B, your question. What is the main therapeutic benefit of Kapalbhati practice?
Pass.
Yoga has many practitioners in the West and several Hollywood celebrities such as Adam Levine and Julia Roberts have endorsed it. Indira Devi is credited with introducing yoga to West. Which country did she belong to? Indira Devi belonged to which country?
Pass.
What does Hatha means?
Pass.
Where is Kundalini located?
Pass.
Kundalini comes from term Kunda, which is a cavity for which particular animal?
Snake.
Correct answer. How many types of pranayam are there?
Pass.
Sanskrit roots from etymological derivation of word yoga.
Pass.
What is chakra? Time out. One correct answer, 5 points. Team C. Who will answer? Okay. So ready? Name the asana in which waist and arms look like a cobra.
Bhujangasana.
Correct answer. Which Ved mentions about element of yoga? Which Ved mentions about the element of yoga?
Pass.
Who has introduced yoga first time in the Western world in a religion conference?
Pass.
Which country does yoga originate from?
India.
Correct answer. What does namaste means?
Salutation to you.
Correct answer. What is yogi? What is yogi?
A person who practices yoga.
No. Which chakra signifies the process of enlightenment? No points, no? 2 points. 10 points. 5 marks deducted. Okay. 10 points to team C. Team D. Ready? What is the Team D? What is the meaning of pranayama?
Pass.
What is the other name for Shitali pranayama?
Pass.
In which asana body looks like a bow?
Naukasana.
Incorrect answer. Which asana is also referred to as headstand?
Savalamba Shrisasana.
Correct answer. Which asana is also called Queen of Asana?
Pass.
Which asana is also known as mountain pose?
Pass.
Name the asana which means alternate breathing techniques.
Kapalabhati.
No. In the word Padmasana, what is the meaning of Padma?
Pass.
-5. Okay. So with this we come to the end of this competition of quiz competition of based on yoga, and the final scores are Team A 20 points. Please clap for them. Even them a huge round of applause. Very good, Team A. Team B 65 points. Team C 35 points and Team D 40. So the first position goes to Team B. Second position Team D. Third position Team C. I hope you all have enjoyed the competition. So with this we come to the end of this quiz competition. Students can leave their place. Participants can